To find the transaction ID on Crypto.com, follow these steps. First, log into your Crypto.com account using your email and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Accounts page where you can view all your wallets. Click on the specific wallet for which you want to find the transaction ID. Next, click on the Transaction History tab where you can view all your past transactions. Look for the specific transaction for which you want to find the transaction ID. You can use the search function to filter transactions by date, type, or amount. Once you have found the transaction, click on the View Details button next to it. This will take you to a new page with more detailed information about the transaction. On this page, look for the transaction ID, which is usually labeled as Transaction ID or TXID. It is a long string of characters that uniquely identifies the transaction on the blockchain. You can copy and paste this transaction ID to track the transaction on a blockchain explorer or two. Provide it to customer support if you are experiencing any issues with the transaction. It is important to keep your transaction ID safe and secure as it can be used to identify your transactions on the blockchain. In addition to finding the transaction ID, you can also view other details about the transaction such as the date and time it was made, the amount, and the status. This information can be useful for tracking your transactions and managing your cryptocurrency portfolio. By following these steps, you can easily find the transaction ID on Crypto.com and use it to track your transactions and manage your account. Remember to always keep your account information and transaction IDs safe and secure to protect your cryptocurrency assets.